So, guys, this is Lou. Lou doesn't know what this is or why he's even here. But I thought that'd be cool to show you because what me and Lou are working on, okay, team builders, we are given a lot of focus. Okay, you guys here on this call were given a lot of focus. I thought that'd be cool to show you what we're actually doing because Lou's working really hard on this. So we put in a test last week, Lou,
On Thursday. Yeah.
on Thursday. Okay. Um, and it's pretty cool. Okay. So I don't know if we show, did we whiteboarded this out, didn't we?
Yeah. Yeah, we did. We did.
Can I put
I
a
can find
whiteboard
that.
on here? Yes, I can. It's probably in my other account now on this. Oh, no, it's not.
It is.
I've got it here.
I think this is the link.
Ooh. Is this it? This is it, isn't it?
Yep.
This is it. Okay, so this is what we've been working on, guys. Now, I know this looks like a lot. It is a lot. It is a lot because we're changing it. But I'm going to tell you guys what our new attitude is towards customers, okay, towards people that buy. The new attitude we want to give is we want to imagine, okay, this is kind of the, and let me know if this excites you. We want to assume we have unlimited money and resources to help people. This is the assumption. We haven't, obviously. But we want to say, right, if we were to start again, what help would we give people? Let's design everything around that. Okay, we designed everything around that, and then we work out how we can deliver it within our budget and within our team. Does that make sense? And then we want it so no one goes through the journey and feels confused, but feel motivated and excited to be here. The basic words we usually was we want it to be an experience, don't we?
Yeah.
Does that make sense,
We want to
guys?
leave an impression.
Exactly. We want them to go, wow. And we've got this. Like, let me know if that excites you guys. You would, if you'd love promoting something like that, because it changes from what we're doing. That sounds awesome. Yes, says Nick. So, what we're gonna do is what we basically did. Okay, this is really unusual. Is we done a webinar promoting team builders last week. We had, let's say, we had 10 people join us for ease of maths. Okay, and what we did is once people joined, we set them up. Okay, get this, we set them up on the live training. Okay, we
But
sold.
when was it?
What's that?
Was it the next day? Was it a week later?
I thought you were going to answer it.
I
I was waiting.
thought you
No,
were building up excitement
no, almost. But yeah, it was that when they bought, guys, we set them up fully. Okay,
during the webinar.
during the web, which has never been done before, because we
No.
want to think we basically had a discussion, which was if what's the best thing we can do is to get them set up as soon as possible. Shall we do a webinar the next day? We know people don't turn up for that. Okay, we know people. You make 10 sales in a day. Let's say I know 4 people will turn up. Okay, so what we worked on is right. Surely the best time to do it is there and then. Hi, Matthew. You'll like this, Matthew, with your experience over the last week with another company. So we thought, right, we're going to set them up there and then once we've sold them. How cool is that, guys? Literally, their domain, all their funnels, all their emails, everything. Okay, at that point. Okay, exactly that point. How cool is that? And then we're like, right, there's a lot. Okay, I don't hold back, guys, on training. Okay, I want people to win, and I know people win by going through the training and applying it. But there's a lot there. Would you agree, guys? There's a lot there. There's a lot in everything we do. Okay, Nick still finds it confusing. So what we're doing exactly, people find it confusing. Okay, so what we've done after that is we train them exactly what to do for 5 days. Okay, so we onboard each and every person. I think the reason I brought Lou on is I think we should give everyone that experience. Because some of it, like you can see, Nick's been with us. Nick's done a fantastic job marketing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And people are still a little bit confused. So we can, like, that's what we're solving. Okay. I know, guys, like Nick, you know the value that we have to share. It's no one else in the industry does it. And I know this for a fact. You know the results we get, people. We get, I know the results. I know that, like, Lou has 5 years experience launching the top products on a network. The top products, doing webinars, doing everything. Okay, between me and the team, we have the best experience on the planet, and I try and teach that. But when people are new, they're not receptive, and I know that. I know that they're not at the stage where it starts making sense. Okay, so we want to take them by the hand for 5 days. We've done this over the last week, and we want to motivate them to an unbelievable level. Unbelievable level. Like where they're like, whoa, this is working. Okay, this works. Okay. So we got them on day one. And we simply did some simple tasks, making a Facebook post, I think was one of them. And day two, they pretty much all made sales. Day two.
Yep.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Within 20 minutes of jumping on live training, they all made sales. Okay. Day five, we're going through this process in a minute. By day five, the aim is to get them to make their first second level commission. Okay. Through final steps. Okay. After that, after 5 days, okay, they are then told they're motivated, they're excited, they're ready to take over the goddamn world. That's where we need people to take action. Would you agree, guys? We need people that are like, this works. Like, I'm excited. I'm motivated. We need to get people to that point so they believe in themselves and they're excited to actually do work, because people come in. No one's excited to do work, guys. No one is. Everyone think they are. I am. I'm weird. Lou is. I pay him, so he's got to tell you that. And we want people to get excited that you can do this. And in that first 5 days, we do. And then we tell them how to get support. We don't even let them in the site in those 5 days. Okay. And then we take them through exactly how to get help, exactly what to do next, exactly what they need to be doing with that newfound excitement. Okay. Does all that make sense, guys? I'm showing you this so you guys get excited about promoting it. We've spent, in fact, last week on top of everything else, we probably spent 7, 8, 9 hours, including the webinar and everything itself.
Yeah, easy
on this. We're processing it out, guys. Okay, so we've got one certain place we get, like, we get our own traffic to OLSP. We get our own things going on. Okay, so we thought, right, we'll test it here. And the whole flow is going to be a setup around this process, everything, so people know. Okay, they have the best experience. They know they got the best support. They know we want them to win. Okay, and they know that we're here to help them.